Imagine yourself in this Ram 2018 3500 Tradesman. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: dual rear wheels included, tires LT 235/80R 17 EBS WAS wheels, 17 inches x 6.0 steel argent clearance lamps, tire pressure monitoring, delete 17 steel spare wheel, 6,000 pound front axle with hub extension box and rear fender clearance lamps, radio, Uconnect 3.0 included, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, popular equipment group included, remote keyless entry, carpet floor covering, front and rear floor mats, Sirius XM satellite radio. For more info call 800-643-21121. Your Sirius XM radio service, Sirius XM satellite radio included. For more info call 800-643-21121. Your Sirius XM radio service, 3.73 axle ratio.